Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have cyclohexane. You have two bromine which is strands to each other. You're reacting with tertiary beta oxide. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have cyclohexane system. It can be better understood by cyclopropane chair form. So we draw to the chair form, which is more stable form. So chair form is there. You have two bromine, but you are using the base. Base promote the elimination reaction. So elimination reaction, you need to have antiperiplanar position. Hydrogen and bromine should be antiperiplanar. So the elimination happen. You have conjugated alkene. Driving force for the reaction is conjugation. The concept we outline here is heat elimination require antiperiplanar HPR position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.